Hi, it's Fernando Laczko, and today I'm here to talk a little bit about my bike. So to start off with the frame, it's a new United Incarnate dirty colorway, Fernando Laczko colorway. It's gloss white, 20.8, but also available in 21. Then to start off with the front of the bike, we got the United dirty bars. It comes in 9 inches and a little bit of back sweep for like bar spins and stuff like that. It feels really good. Then I'm riding the United Purge stem, top load, and it's got a system. I don't know how it's called in English, but it makes it easier when you tie it up your stem, so it doesn't like go wrong one side on the other, and you will not break it at all. The fork is a United Dinero fork. Wheels, both, I'm riding the United Direct tires, but in the front I'm riding the 2.4 and in the back 2.3. So for the grinds, hard 180s, hard 360, whatever, it doesn't like get stuck with the ledge or the rail or whatever. My pegs, all United plastic pegs. They're the longer ones, 110 millimeters I think it is. So it's easier for like crooked grinds or like combos, predator, whatever. Over here we got the United middle class sprocket 25, and then I've got the United Severance cranks 165 millimeters, and the classic United Valentino pedals, plastic, perfect, never complaining about that. Oh yeah, on my seat I got the United Reborn with the pivotal system, but it also comes in the tripod for whoever is on the tripod wave. So that'd be all of my bike. If you need any information, just head over to unitedbikeco.com to get it all.